Alright guys, in this video I'll show you how to make a transition effect. In the previous video we talked about these speed controls, right? So now I'm going to show you how smoothly from this video into the next video. As you can see now here, there is a little bit of an overlapping effect, a fading effect from one video to another. Now when I started working, let me just get rid of all these effects and go back to where we left off. When we left off, the speed here was on top, right? So in any case, I wanted to, the first step to do is to plan your project. So which video first, which video second. First video to view should be placed on the upper and the top channels. Then comes the video after. Then comes the third video, for example, over here. You need to allow for an overlapping space, and you can determine as you visualize the recording. Of course, when you visualize it this way, the only video will show is the one on top. But in any case, you first need to select the video on top, then the video on the bottom, then add, transition. Let's try the cross. And now you can see that there is a strip here in the top called the cross. Now let's play the video and see. Do you see here how the video is starting to fade out? This is the top video. And now it is slowly fading out into the next video. Do you see that? All right. Likewise, we are going to select the top video, then select the bottom. And the selection is basically you select the first video by clicking on it, hold down the shift key, then select the second video, the one below it. The order of the selection is very important. Then let's try the cross gamma. I don't see a difference between the cross and the cross gamma, but maybe you can see a difference, but it's almost the same. So as you can see now here, let's move it a little, yeah, so we can see more video. And now here is the transition. Okay, so in this video, easy peasy, we learned how to add transitions to our videos, and so far it's easy a process. Let's say that you want to add another transition. For example, you want to add a wipe. With the wipe transition, you can go to strip, for example, and you can change the angle. You can put it at 120, for example. So now the wipe will be different. You see that? Changing the angle here, 90, I think they give it 190, maybe 180. It's only 90. Why is that so? So it's either 0 or 90. Okay, in any case, the blend could be replaced. Opacity is okay. There is somewhere where we can change the transformation of it. Single here. You can make it double, for example. So let's take a look here. Do you see the difference? Okay, so you can also change it from double to iris. Or you can change it to clock. Okay. So this is how you can do video transitions. Of course, other video editing softwares have better transitions. Feel free to use them if you want, but at the end of the day, the rendering, the last say, the project management in total should be done in Blender so that everyone can have access to the video, can edit whatever they want. So you could help your group members if you have access to any video editing tool that you know how to use very well in an app, you can add these transitions, for example, for your team members, and then they can add the text that they like or. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.